What is up, you guys? It's your girl Chanel.janai from around the way. Hey, and in today's video, I will be showing you how to deep condition your hair on the go. The products that I will be using are, I'm going to be using products from the Curls collection. So that is the shampoo right here that I'll be using, and this deep conditioner, which is a reparative hair mask. First of all, excuse the fact that I don't have any makeup on right now. If I look a little bit more rough than the usual, then that's probably why. But look, we family now at this point. We've known each other for a couple of months now, most likely. So look, take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Okay? Take it or leave it. So the very first thing that I did was I needed to obviously wash my hair. It was very dry, very brittle, and just right. I'm so dramatic. The shampoo instructs you to rinse or wash your scalp first with the shampoo. So that is the very first thing that I did. You'll see me going in there in the scalp area, wash. Then right after that, I rinsed out the shampoo. Then the next step that they instruct you to do, these are all instructions that are on the back of the shampoo as well, obviously. So the next step you would do is actually wash all of your hair at this point. Now, they do also instruct you to keep it in your hair for 10 minutes before washing it out. So I went ahead, did a good wash, got it all up in there, I even got it all up in my eyes. Yup. You know how they be all, you know how in them YouTube videos, the girls be all glamorous and they're like, and the water is just like, and they combing through it, no problem. Look, I had soap in my eyes. It was crazy. It was crazy. But anyway, leave the shampoo in for 10 minutes. In the meantime of that 10 minutes, I did obviously take my shower, all that good stuff to kill the time because I didn't want to get out and get back in. So in that time, then I washed it out. The next step is to apply the hair mask to your hair. So they instruct you to use this on wet hair. So you can just leave it wet. What I ended up doing was towel drying it. I used basically like a t-shirt because you don't want to ever use a regular towel to dry your hair. It can actually pull your hair out. So what I ended up having to do is wet my hair in sections as I added the mask to my hair. So you'll see that I parted my hair into 4 sections in the beginning. I worked in the back with the 2 sections in the back, and then in the front I divided them into 2 more, so I ended up having 6 sections. Each section I dipped my hair into a measuring cup of water just to re-wet it again, because I only want that section to be wet that I'm working on. I wet the section and I added the hair mask to that section, and I combed it through really well. You want to make sure that that product is all throughout your hair from the scalp to the ends and just fully covered. So don't mind the white that you see, the white residue. So yeah, that's what you see in this clip here is me applying that to each section, combing it through, and then retwisting it up so that my hair is just organized and not getting tangled while the product is in my hair. Now, this is where I did not follow the instructions. You know how we do sometimes. You know how we do. So it tells you to leave it on for 15 minutes or leave it on for 25 minutes for deep conditioning in the shower, right? Now, I left it on for longer than 25 minutes. I left it on for 24 hours. But look, I mean, it didn't do any damage to me. I mean, to each his own. If you would rather follow the directions, I'm pretty sure the directions are there for a reason. But my hair can always use a little bit more deep conditioning. So do it at your own risk. I did do it. I don't see anything wrong with my hair. Nothing has, it hasn't been over processed, over conditioned. I don't even know. But it did not happen to my hair. My hair is very, very soft and very manageable afterwards. After the hair is twisted up into the twist, I took bobby pins and I pinned the twist so that they were laid down flat. It didn't have to be perfect, but I just wanted to lay them flat so that they're not sticking out, right? Then I took a shower cap, a plastic shower cap, and placed that on my head. That will keep in all of the moisture, keep everything intact. And then I wore a scarf throughout my day, so that scarf would have taken the moisture out of my hair. It would have dried my hair out, right? So that shower cap protected my hair from losing moisture. Then after the shower cap was on my head, that's when I moved forward with styling my head by putting on a scarf into a style of my choice. So feel free to click the link above me right now, and you will see a couple of styles that I have put together that you can do with a scarf where all of your hair is put away. So, you know, it's good for bad hair days or when you're deep conditioning like I did. After I styled my hair with the scarf, I was good to go. Now, I did all of this in the morning. It only took me, well, it took me longer because I was recording at the same time, but you can pretty much do all of this in an hour or an hour and a half, I would say, because you're just washing it, putting the stuff in your hair, twisting it, putting a shower cap, using your scarf, and making a nice style. People are texting me, and it's like, it's just throwing me off. Go away! Stop it! Talking to me. Yeah, that was it, you guys. It's very short and sweet. Basically, I wore my hair like that all day while I was at work. Came home that night and then washed it out. I will say that I give this product, the curls product, the shampoo and the hair mask, a 10 out of 10. I really did enjoy the product. My hair is very, very hard to manage sometimes. And if I neglect it for even a couple of days, it's hard to comb and everything like that. This product made my hair feel like it was healthy all its life. So once I washed it out, I will insert a clip of my curls as well so you can see how nice they are as well. And I was just so happy with this turnout. My hair was just, it was perfect. And I'm not one to leave my curls out. I still have a little bit of hair that's damaged. I had some heat damage because I wasn't taking care of my hair, which is why I cut my hair. You can also see that in the video right above me, a pop-up. Click on that pop-up and you can see where I actually cut my hair because it was so damaged and my ends especially were shot. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section down below. I would love to be interactive with you guys. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support, and I will see you guys later with another video. Woo!